Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to sharpen a footage or an image in Davinci Resolve. So if you have a blurry footage that you wanna sharpen in Davinci Resolve, all you need to do is go to the color section, the color tab, click on it, and then in here just go to the blur. Click on blur here, and you'll see that there are actually three options here. So the first one is blur, the second one is blur sharpen. So this is the section that we are looking for. So what we are going to do here is you'll see this radius, and on the radius all you need to do is decrease the radius. Alright, and once you decrease the radius, let's check if the image or the footage was already sharpened. See that the footage is already sharpened, and that's how you sharpen an image or a footage in DaVinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.